Okay, Dr. Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. You've got knee pain, the knee's swollen, it's hurting, you're finding every step painful, you can't go up and down the stairs, it might even be hurting you at night time. What to do about it? Watch out for the other video which tells you about how to stretch your quad muscles and how they are so important for the movement of the patella. Today we're going to focus a little bit on the hamstrings. The hamstrings has two heads which attach to either side of the bottom of the femur here. Okay, on this tibial condyle. So, what we want to do here is we want to sort of bend both knees like this. We want to put pillows underneath the knees here and put a hot water bottle on and warm the muscles up underneath. We're warming up the hamstring, the popliteus muscle, and we're also warming a little bit of the upper calf as well. Why are you warming them up? So that you can get a bit more of a stretch out of it and you're not going to damage it or strain it by trying too hard. So what we're next going to do is pull. Would you mind lifting your leg up? That's it. This leg has to be straight. The other leg, you put a towel, and there we go, Paul. You know what to do. And stretch. And you should feel a nice stretch in there. Never, ever, ever, ever stretch into pain. Pain is not gay. That is a myth. It is totally wrong. You take it to the point where you feel the stretch, but not pain. Dr. Sandhu, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. If you want a solution to your knee pain, look no further. Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Give us a call today. Why on earth would you be in pain? Call us now.